Hello YouTube. Today's video is about programming a spare key on a 2007 VW Golf. As you can see, this car has a working key. The customer has a working key. This key is aftermarket key as well. Somebody at some point programmed this key to the car. I'm not sure if this key is it's been programmed to the car or they just cloned the chip and programmed the remote. No idea yet, but we're gonna find out. So this car has a working key, if you can see from the, and we will be programming second key, which yeah, the key is here. This is the key I'm going to program. This is a X-horse key, which I used the wire key. It's not wireless, it's a wire key, and I generated a 48 chip and installed it in there. So this key is not programmed to this car, and we're going to use autel to program this spare key. You need the transponder programmer and the autel. I haven't plugged it in, it's through Bluetooth. I hope we can do it. So basically we open the software, you go to Emo, and then we press auto detect. Turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. Auto detect. We got the chassis number. Excuse me. So South Africa, Europe, Jetta 2000, Europe, Golf 2004, 2009. Emo status scan. By the time this initializes the system, basically I was going for this video, I was going to use X-horse VVDI2 to do the key on this, because this car has a Micronos dash on there. It's a slightly, the procedure is same as, even if you use VVDI2, the procedure is exactly the same, but to program a spare key. But if there is no key for it, it's slightly different. If you want to do all keys lost, it's slightly different. They when you open the dash, when you open the clock, you see at the back of the clock is there's two pieces. That's basically it's like a socket that's connected together, and then you have to take the top piece out and then turn it around. You got the chip there, take a chip out. So it's slightly different. If I get a job with all keys lost, I'll make another video for it. It's still initializing the system. Okay. There's 8 fault codes on engine system, which as you can see from my hands, I was doing a little mechanical job on the car as well, so I have to go back to the engine system and clear all the fault codes. Okay, we're gonna be doing add key. Is the vehicle equipped with a smart key? No. Okay, read emo data, make dealer key, learn keys to the vehicle, remote learning. Okay, we press start. At the moment it's reading the emo data. Whatever, if you're watching this video, definitely you are a locksmith or you planning to be a locksmith. Well, on VW and Audis, VW, Audi, Skoda, or anything, if you trying to do even a spare key, program a spare key to the car, once you read the, I don't know what tool you're using, but whatever you do, once you read the EEPROM and emo data, please save the files, save the EEPROM and save the emo data, because if anything goes wrong, at least with them files you can you can, with the backups you have, you can bring the car back to life. 99%. Do you want to generate a dealer key? Yes. The key we have, we put it inside the programmer there, and we press yes. Place a blank key into the key slot to the programmer, which we did. Okay, it's doing its thing. Successful. Dealer key generated successfully. Do you want to continue to generate the next one? No, we have a working key. Okay, learn key to the vehicle, performing. Okay, how many keys? Asking us how many keys. Whenever you do keys, spare key to Volkswagen, Audi group, you have to always reprogram the original key, you know, the original key for the car as well. So we press 2 because we got the original key and we got the key that we want to program. Press 2. Okay, turn the ignition off for 5 seconds. Turn off the ignition 5 seconds and then turn the ignition on. Press OK. Off. Pressed OK. We insert each keys. Okay, that's 1 out of 2, and then we're gonna take this out. Take the key we have. That's 2 out of 2. Decoding remote control type. Press any button on the remote. I'm pressing, but it's not doing anything. Key learning succeeded. Okay, I don't know if it took the remote, but it definitely took the transponder, but I don't know about the remote. No, the remote is not working. It could be because I generated the wrong remote. That's not a problem. Change it. Let's see if this starts the car. It does start the car. That's the key we programmed, and this is the original. And the original starts as well. About the remote. No, unfortunately it didn't take the remote. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come out. Control unit, remote system. Takes a while. I don't usually use autel, and add remote control function will directly add a remote control if the original key is operational. Remote control learning function will erase all remote controls and then relearn the key. Okay, for vehicle with smart. This car doesn't have a smart key. Press OK. Add remote control learning. We could add as well. This is the same thing. Press any button on the key within 10 seconds. I pressed, yeah, if you see, it takes the original key, but it doesn't take the key I have generated. It could be because I generated the wrong part number, maybe that's why. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my van and then generate another remote for the Golf 2007, come back and go through the system and relearn the remote to the car. Thanks for watching, guys.